Perspective Podcast is fuel for your mind and creative grind. Each week, we break down the art of healthy hustling, overcoming the inner critic, and growing your creative business. So we started around 2012-ish. 2014, you really started gaining traction when you got that award. When were you able to first take that part-time shift to pursue Logo Geek part-time and then your day job part-time?
Okay, so this was a drag because Logo Geek was doing really well quite early on. So when I say early on, like 3 or 4 years after doing all these bits and pieces, I was getting, I'd be sat at work, my phone kept ringing, just kept ringing through the day. And it was pretty much every time I picked up, it's like, can you help me with a logo? And it's like, I can't, I'm at work. And I get inquiries. And there was times when I get like 10 inquiries come in, which is just insane. And there was a long time where I'd go to work and I'd come home and I'd be like, I can't keep doing both. I kept saying it, I can't keep doing both. And I kept thinking, I need to give up one of these. And my plan as a career was just to have a job as a designer, work my way up, go work for like a London agency or something, and then keep working my way up. I didn't really, I'd never really thought at all that I could become my own boss. Like that was never something I ever considered quite early on. So I was stuck between these two things, choosing, and I kept going home and I'd talk about it at home and be like, I think I need to give up one of these. I decided to give up Logo Geek. And then I'm like, no, I've put too much work into it. I'm not giving it up. And it was like this constant for a couple of years.
Inner conflict
of like, I'm too busy. This is too stressful. There's just too much going on. I can't have this stressful job and then come home and have this second stressful job that I couldn't get away from. It was, I just kept thinking, I'll give that up. But I'm not deleting the website. I'll leave it there. But it just meant that the problem didn't go away. I just had this too. And then life went on, and what really gave me the push was quite a personal thing. So my mum, she had vascular dementia, and she ended up going into a home, and she eventually passed away. And that was, for me, seeing her get old and being in a home with older people at the end of their life. And I think at the same time, there was songs in the charts, and there was videos I see online, like about, you're going to die one day. I can't remember what the song is, but there was one song that came about at the time where it kind of went from, you're a kid to a teenager to 20s to 30s to 40s to 50s, and then God, and it made me think, I don't want to regret not doing something, because what if I get to like 80 and I haven't done anything, You're
on your deathbed and you're like, what the hell?
I'd be like, why didn't I do anything? So that kind of gave me the kick that I needed. And I thought, I don't want to regret anything. And I just thought to myself, I'm just going to hand him a notice. I just made my mind up. I'm going to hand him a notice.
Thanks again for listening. It'd be awesome if you took the time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let the comment below so we can connect. Again, if you want to catch a shout out as a future listener of the week, make sure you subscribe to the show on iTunes and give it a rating and review.